TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 4 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday as we reach the closing bell and markets accelerating from the highs to the lows. Pre-market, S&Ps were as high as 29.76. We finished the day at about 29.19. Quite an acceleration. Begins at about 2:45 p.m. Eastern Time. We trade from 29.58 down a solid almost 40 S&P points to 29.18 currently. Jumping over to the NASDAQ 100, that acceleration starts above 9,400 at 94.16, currently trading at 92.95. The Dow dropped early pre-market 24,765, a pretty tame trading day across the board. The Dow about 100-point range, give or take, between 24,400 and 24,500, and we trade from 24,500 down to 24,138. Crude oil up 19 pennies at 31.84. We have the gold contract trading higher, $1,748. We were trading at about $17.75 in gold on Monday and jumping over to the VIX, the volatility index, spiking to 30.62 from about 28.40 as we started that acceleration to lower prices. And that headline having to do with the headline on Bloomberg, they're talking about vaccine study question. The big accelerator yesterday was a vaccine early phase study from Moderna. Now they're talking about, well, you want to be careful here. They didn't release any data. All they released was 45 people with a few words. No data in the world of science. Data is king. And combine that with the facts that Moderna immediately comes out with a 1.3 something, 315 maybe billion dollar offering at $76, and already that stock pairing almost 11%, double-digit losses at 10%. Other stocks with action today, we had Walmart earnings early. Actually finishes the day down more than 2% when they announced 10% same-store sales, 74% online growth. Amazing numbers, and they trade lower. You also had Home Depot out with their earnings. They finished down 2.95%. Kohl, a big loser, down 7.6%. We get Target shares tomorrow morning, down 1.1% today. Was trading higher with Walmart pre-market to 128.10. You're at 123.41. We also get Lowe's numbers tomorrow. Lowe's actually positive 0.1%. And how about, as all those stocks in retail turned lower, Amazon was up a full percent until that market sell-off. It even was higher than that. All-time highs for Amazon at 24.85. Thanks for joining us, folks. Don't forget, you just listened to Larry Pesavento live for Tom. He's doing that live webinar Thursday, all day from 9 till 4. You can be in there over his shoulder watching him trade. Great market for it. You saw the volatility in the final hour and 15 minutes of the market. I'm sure